Noon day mga kachika, gusto mo bang lagi kang una sa showbiz news at scoops? Subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated and don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify for more pakulo. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Ibinahagi ni Jake Cuenca sa kanyang IG story ng larawang tila naluluha. Kasabay nito ang pagkumpirma sa kanyang estado ng relasyon sa kanyang dating nobya na si Kylie Versosa, pagpapaliwanag ng actor proud silang dalawa dahil nagkahiwalay man sila at walang naiwang samahang loob ang isa't isa. Napagkasunduan umano nilang maghiwalay nang walang hinanakit sa isa't isa nang wala silang sama ng loob tuwing may isip nila ang kanilang pinagsamahan. Ito ang pagsasalaysay ng actor, "This was us, I'll hold on to all our precious memories together with so much value. This past 3 years of my life have certainly been the best, I say this with such a heavy heart, but me and Kylie have decided to go our separate ways. I'm still so proud of us because we didn't want to break up in anger, we both wanted to be able to look back on our relationship with no bitterness, no anger and no regrets, only the good memories. Certainly that's what I will be holding on to. I will still be here to support you because in so many ways I feel a part of your journey and I will always pray for your success. I'm happy we were able to finish this chapter of our lives the same way we started it, as friends. Wherever you are or whatever you're doing, I will always be sending you love and positivity. Know that you will always have a person in me who will always be proud of you. I'll see you around, Kylie." Mapapansin sa mensahe ng aktor ay mahal na mahal pa niya ang dalaga, pero mas okay nang naghiwalay na sila habang may pagmamahal at respeto sa isa't isa. Ano sa tingin nyo ka, chika? Just comment down below. Maraming salamat.